Hello, my name is Dominique Falla. I'm convener of the graphic design program at QCA on the Gold Coast at Griffith University, and I also run my own design studio called Moonsail Design Studio, and I'm also a tactile typographer, which means that I make pieces of typography out of craft materials. Well, graphic design is one of the most versatile industries that I can think of. There is, a job as a graphic designer, so there are places that people are employed as graphic designers, and this can be different between whether you're an in-house designer or a studio designer. So in-house designers tend to work with the same brand over and over again, and for some that can be boring, and for some that can be great because it means that they get to really know and understand the brand, and then for them it's just a case of making sure that that brand is consistent. Whereas if you work as a graphic designer for a studio, it tends to be more that you'll do whatever project comes in the door. So it might be that your studio might focus on maybe restaurant branding, for example, so they might choose to focus on a specific industry, or it might just be that you do anything that comes in the door as it comes in the door, which can be great because you do a trucking brochure one day and then a nursery, for children the next day. So there's lots of different ways that graphic design can take you. There's also freelancing, which again, for some people is the only way they can work because it means that it gives them flexibility with hours, it gives them flexibility with the types of work that they do, but also it can be quite stressful in terms of keeping the money flowing and making sure that the income is consistent. So as a graphic designer, you sort of need to work with your own strengths and weaknesses, I think, in terms of deciding where you go. As a graphic designer, you can then springboard off into a multitude of different industries. So, fashion, movies, illustration, web design. There's lots of different related industries to graphic design that a lot of graphic designers will start off as a graphic designer, but then they'll move into those other industries and really tailor and focus their skills.